If you've been injured, the insurance company that you hear from is not there to help you.
Don't get bullied by insurance companies. Call Jason Ernest and bully them back at 775-727-9500.
Carlos Cortez has been booked into the Nye County Detention Center on multiple counts, including possessing, receiving, or transferring a stolen vehicle, resisting a public officer, obtaining money, property, or labor under false pretenses in an amount between $1,200 and $5,000, habitual criminal with sentences of 10 years to life, and a convicted person whose registration and fingerprinting is required. On October 15th, the local man told deputies a backhoe valued at $29,000 had been stolen. The victim said he had allowed Cortez to borrow the backhoe several months earlier, and he had recently tried to get it back. But the backhoe owner told investigators he had been unable to contact Cortez by phone or mail for several weeks, which led him to report the situation to law enforcement. Officers were able to contact Cortez, who stated he had the backhoe, but it was being repaired at a friend's house in Las Vegas. Cortez told officers he would contact the owner to make arrangements for its return, but a week later, that had not happened. Detectives were able to contact the man who was reportedly repairing the backhoe. He told investigators he did have it, but explained that he had received the backhoe in a trade for his 1999 GMC Yukon SUV. That man went on to say Cortez claimed to own the backhoe and provided a bill of sale showing the trade of the backhoe for the Yukon. The following day, detectives went to Cortez's residence in Pahrump. In the arrest report, they say the Yukon was parked in the yard. Officers say when they contacted Cortez, he admitted to trading the backhoe, which he did not own, for the Yukon. He was placed under arrest and taken to jail. The sheriff's office says Cortez has been convicted of a total of 9 felonies in Texas and California, including theft, forgery, and burglary. That means in Nevada he meets the definition of a habitual criminal, which is someone who has more than 7 convictions. Authorities also note Cortez never registered in Nevada as a convicted person as required by law.